I'm Claire from Created the Ottaway. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up in the UK. Thank you for joining me. Let's share a crafty break together. So today I am going to share with you something that uses this tag topper punch. It's a snowflake design. You put a strip of card in there that's 2 inches and then it punches out this really lovely snowflake design, and you can make this. Ta-da! So it's just a little sweet wrap. There's hardly any work to it at all, but how nice is that as a little gift rather than just handing over a load of sweets. So also it means your sweets will stretch further. There'd be one to gift and one to you, and many to gift and many to you. So should we get crafting? I'm going to do it in real red this time. So I've got my Stampin' Up trimmer and I am just going to cut off a 2-inch strip. So 2 inches, okay, just like that. I'm going to turn it sideways and it needs to measure 7 5/8. Now don't worry, I will put the measurements on the screen at the end so that you can get them, or on my table and you can screenshot them. So 2 inches by 7 5/8. Then all you need to do is do some score lines. So I'm going to score at 1 3/4 inches, at 3 inches, at 4 1/2 inches, and 5 3/4 inches, and that's it. That, believe it or not, is your wrap. Okay. Now I already know that it's going to fit nicely in, so I just slide it right up to the back. Okay, now you can turn it over and you can see where it is in there, but basically I'm just going to punch it out both ends. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous, that snowflake design? So if you fancy this snowflake, you can shop with me at createdtheottaway.co.uk or with your local Stampin' Up demonstrator. So that's it, job done. Now all I need to do is just fold it in like that, so you can see that it wants to join. Now you could just join it there. You could just put a bit of ribbon or string on and join it there. But I actually like to cross it over. So how do I do that? I get my scissors. I'm going to put those together. So I'm just cutting one side, and what I'm going to do is cut a straight line just to this middle hole here. So I'll cut one line there, and then I want to do one on the other side going inwards. I'm going to flip it round. I've got one line there, and I'm really only holding it so it gives me an idea of where my line is going to be. So, oh, this is the most awkward thing to do on camera. Okay, let's do it about there. Okay, let me open that up so you can see. So I've just gone to that middle line there. And then I stick my sweet in the middle, just like that. Put that over, overlap those 2 slits, just like so, like that. And there you have a Christmas sweet wrap in white and in red. Ta-da! Enjoy your crafty break. Thanks for watching.